So the first thing first, check the audio level and the correct output device. Make sure the speakers are unmuted from the settings and from the dedicated key on your keyboard. Also check if you have correct output selected. Click on this icon and then select the correct output device. You might have different speakers connected to your computer. In this case, the first one is a speaker on my monitor and second one is the speaker on the back of my tower PC. So you have to select the right output and check where your speaker is connected. If you are using a laptop, then most probably you will get Realtek digital output, or if you have connected your headphones, select the headphone. So you have to select the right output first. Now if you have already selected the right output and it doesn't work, then go to menu, then settings, go to system settings and then sound option. You can select the audio output device from here as well, or you can add a Bluetooth speaker if you want. Now scroll down to find all sound devices under the advanced options and click on this all sound devices. Click on your audio output device and then make sure audio is allowed. If you see allow option here like this one, then click on allow. So the audio output device should be allowed to play the audio, and you have to do it for all other audio output devices. And make sure the audio output is allowed. Now check if you are able to hear the audio. If not, come back to the sound settings page again. Under the advanced option, you will see troubleshoot option. Click on output devices. Now the Windows troubleshooter might ask you to select a output device. If you know the correct output device, you have to select it and click on next. In my case, there are tons of different output devices. So I will select any of them and click on next. But if you know the correct output device, you have to select that one, or you can try and test with different output devices. Click on next and next. And the Windows troubleshooter will try to find the problem and fix it, or give you an option to fix the problem. In this case, you can see that the speaker is not connected. So you have to follow the on-screen instruction to find and fix the problem with the output device. If the Windows troubleshooter doesn't work, follow the next method. For this method, go to search and search for device manager and click on this app. Now find audio output and input, audio input and output option. Click on this option to highlight, right click on it and click on scan for hardware changes. Now check if you can hear audio or not. If not, select the audio output driver. In most cases, it would be Realtek high definition audio output driver. So select the driver, right click on it and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers. If there are new updates available, it will install those updates. If not, you will get the best driver is already installed message. In this case, right click on the driver again and click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall and then you have to restart your PC. Once you restart, it will auto install the driver. After the restart, check if you are able to hear the audio or not. If not, go to the device manager again and expand audio input and output option. Select the audio driver, right click on it and then go to properties and driver tab. Now if you see rollback option is enabled, rollback driver is enabled, you have to roll back the driver. After that, you might have to restart your PC and check the audio output. If you are still not getting audio output, then right click on the driver again and go to update driver. This time click on browse my computer for drivers and then click let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer and check this option show compatible hardware only. Now you will find different audio driver here. If you find a Realtek high definition driver, you have to select it and then click on next. Or you can try to install the available driver in this list one by one. So you have to select that audio driver and click on next and it will install that driver. Apart from audio input and output option, you will find the audio driver inside this sound, video and game controllers option as well. So expand this option and find your audio driver. In my case, there are different audio drivers like NVIDIA high definition driver and then Realtek audio. In most cases, you will find Realtek audio driver. Now right click on the Realtek audio driver and then click on uninstall device and click on uninstall. You can restart your PC to reinstall the driver again, or you can click on this action tab and then click on scan for hardware changes and it will install the driver again and check if you are getting audio output or not. If not, right click on the audio driver again and click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. So compatible hardware only, and then you will find high definition audio device and Realtek high definition audio. First you have to select the high definition audio device and then click on next. Ignore this driver update warning and click on yes option. And then it will install the high definition audio driver. Now you might have to restart your PC and check if you are getting audio output or not. In most cases this should work. And if it is still not working, then you can install the Realtek high definition audio driver. Open the device manager again, come back to this page. Right click on the Realtek audio driver and click on update driver. Select manually and select the Realtek high definition audio driver and install it. You might have to restart your PC and then check if you are getting audio output or not. In most cases this should fix the problem, but if you are still not getting any audio output, then you can try to install the Realtek high definition audio driver from the official website. Simply search Google for the Realtek audio driver for Windows 11. You can install it from the Realtek website or from the Intel's website. I will provide the link in video description. Now you have to download the latest available driver for the Realtek high definition audio driver. Apart from this, you can try to find the right audio driver for your laptop by going to the manufacturer's website. Like if you have Asus laptop, then go to the manufacturer website, enter your product number, product model, and then find the audio driver and install it. If you have custom built PC, then find the audio driver by going to the motherboard manufacturer's website. So anyhow, you have to download the Realtek high definition audio driver from the Intel website or from the manufacturer website. Once downloaded, you might have to extract it and then run this setup.exe. Find and double click on this setup.exe and then follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. And after installing the driver, you have to restart your PC and then you will get audio output on your Windows 11. By any chance, if this doesn't work, you can try to check the audio services as well. Simply go to search and search for services app and then open it. Now find Windows audio service. Right click on it and then go to properties. Make sure the service is running. If it is not running, you have to start it and then startup type should be automatic. Hit apply and OK. And the last thing you can do is check for Windows Update. Go to menu, then settings, Windows Update. Now check for the available updates. If there are new updates available, you have to download and install those updates. After that, you have to restart your PC and this should fix the audio output problem on your Windows 11. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified about new videos and I will see you in my next video.